Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. Firstly I will show you where touch area is located, then default gestures and control, and then how to customize them. So the touch area is located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top. Now let me play some song. If you play or pause, if you want to play or pause the song, you need to press 2 times at your left or right earbud. 1, 2. I just pause it. Let's check the left one. 1, 2. Okay, again. Yeah, and I play the song. If you triple press at your left earbud, you will call voice assistant, but firstly let's try the right one. So triple press at the right one is to play next track by default. 1, 2, 3, and I just play next track. So let's check the left one. Triple press. 1, 2, 3. And I just call the Siri. I have iOS, so I call it Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. Now, how to customize these gestures? You need to open QCY application, and of course your headphones should be connected with the app and turn on. Then go to the settings at the middle bottom, at the middle top. And right here we have gestures. So, by default, single press set to none, so we can add, let's say, volume control by tap this line with the feature and then select volume down for the left one, or volume up, or you can set something else. As you can see, we have options here. And let's check it. So single press at my right earbud and look at this widget, I increase the volume. Now let's check the left one. So single press and I lower the volume. And you can also customize the double press and triple press. Also, we have press and hold. We cannot customize it. We have it in the application. And with the left earbud, you will enable or disable game mode. So let me open the application, and right here we have gaming mode. And if you press and hold at your left earbud, you will enable or disable it. So I just enable it, press and hold again, and I disable it. With the right earbud, we can switch between ambient sound control. So right here we have ANC, transparency, and normal mode. And now I use normal mode, press and hold, and I switch to transparency, press and hold again, and I switch to ANC. And from ANC I should switch to the normal mode, yes. Also, we have the control in the charging case at the bottom, near to USB-C port. If you put your earbuds inside the case and press and hold this button for at least 3 seconds, you will enter to pairing mode. If you press and hold for 10 seconds, you will perform the factory reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.